Today's webinar is going to be handled by our Ezza Nisthar, and she is a student from our ACMIS higher grade. So everyone, please listen carefully. She's going to take an interesting topic. Okay.
Can I start? Okay. Can you all see my screen?
Yeah, I can.
Yes, Ezza, we can see your screen.
Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Ezza, and this webinar is about bees. Why are bees important? Bees are important because they pollinate plants, which helps us grow food. Without bees, we would have less food to eat. What is pollination? Pollination is the transfer of pollen from the male another of a flower to the female stigma. It is a vital step in the plant reproductive cycle as it allows for fertilization and the production of seeds. So this is the picture of pollination. This is the pollinator and this is the pollen. And this thing over here, the green over here, is called a sigma. Then the seed. Then this is the pollen grains, and it goes like a cycle like that. And this is just the picture of the bees. So this is my brother made. He made as a project. So this is the life cycle of a honeybee. So first the queen bee lays egg in the wax cell. Over here, can you see this? This honeybee is laying the egg in the wax cell. Then the worker bees feed hatched larvae. This one right here, right next to it. He's feeding the hatched larva. Then larva reaches full growth. This over here, full growth. Then workers seal the cell with wax. The worker bees seal the cell with wax. Then larva spins cocoon and changes into pupa. And the adult bee leaves the cell. So that is the life cycle of a honeybee. Facts about bees. Bees make honey to survive. If there are 60,000 bees in a hive, about 1/3 of them will be involved in gathering nectar. So I'm gonna tell you that about making honey. So when the bees arrive at the hive carrying nectar, they give this to the house bees. Then the house bees move the nectar around with the mandibles and exposing it to the warm, dry area of the hive. Then when it is first gathered, the nectar contains sugar and minerals mixed about 80% of water. After 10 to 20 minutes, when the honeycomb where evaporation continues, after 3 days, the honey in the cells contains about 20% of water. At this stage, the bees cover the cells with lids, which they make out of beeswax. At any one time, the bees in the hive usually gather nectar from the same type of blossom and from the same area. but some main sources of nectar are fruit trees, clover, and flowering trees. So how do bees give information to the other bees? So researchers let the other bees know where the source of the nectar is by performing a dance, which gives information about the direction and the distance the bees will need to fly. So I gave, this is a small picture about like their dance, but I'll show you. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a video on how the bees dance and give information to the other bees. I hope so you can hear the sound.
Yes. No, I can't hear.
I study all different kinds of social bees because you really need to look at social bees
Yeah.
to study their communication. I look at honeybees, bumblebees, and stingless bees. Honeybees have this amazing ability to communicate, and it's one of the reasons why I became a biologist.
Okay,
Because I discovered as an undergraduate that they could communicate using a waggle dance.
Inside Science.
So a bee that dances inside the nest, let's say she goes out to find a good food source. She'll find that flower, and if it's rewarding enough, she'll come back and she'll do this dance. It almost looks like a figure eight, dancing back and forth, and then waggling her butt, if you will, her abdomen. And that waggling is key because the angle at which she's waggling.
Okay, so you see this dance, it wags its like tail or butt. That's basically the honey, the dance, which gives information to the other bees.
And the duration of time she spends doing it actually tells bees where to go to find food. They can tell each other where to go, how far away to fly, and what distance to go to actually find the food source. Basically, the longer she spends shaking or waggling, the further away the food source is. So another amazing part of this communication system, which hasn't been studied as clearly, is the fact that bees
I hope so you saw the dance
Please
of
mute.
how they dance.
Abel, can you please mute your mic there?
Yeah, I'm gonna continue. Now I'm gonna tell you the difference between honey and nectar. Honey is thicker than nectar. Honey is like 20% of water, and nectar is about 80% of water. Here are the pictures. So now I'm gonna tell you there are three types of bees, and I'm gonna tell you the different three types of bees. So the first bee is queen bee. The queen bee is the only female bee in the hive that can lay eggs. She is also the largest bee in the hive. The bee's primary role is to produce new bees for the hive. Okay, so here's a picture of a queen bee. It is the largest bee in the hive, and its role is to produce new bees for the hive. Next is worker bees. Worker bees are all female, but they do not able to reproduce. So queen bee is also a female, but she is the only female bee who can reproduce new ones. And worker bees cannot do that. And they are the smallest bees. And in the before slide, we saw queen bee is the largest bee in the hive, and this is the smallest bees in the hive. and have a variety of roles, including foraging for food, building and maintaining the hive, caring for the queen and young bees, and defending the hive from predators. So that is the role of worker bees. Next, the bee is called drones. Drones are male bees. The other two were female bees, but drones are male bees. And their only role is to mate with worker queens. They do not have any stingers and are much larger than worker bees. Drones are expelled from the hive in the fall when they are no longer needed. When they do not need drones, then they just expel them from the hive in the fall when they are no longer needed. Thank you. Does anyone have any questions? Okay, Abigail.
Abigail, we can't go.
I'm sorry, Abigail, we can't hear you.
We can't hear you.
Can you speak louder? Okay, maybe Musa.
Yes, just a minute. Ezza,
Yes,
Musa,
ma'am.
can you please turn on your mic, Musa?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So if you have any questions, you can ask your Ezza.
Okay, why does the male bee get kicked out?
Can you repeat this background noise?
You said the male bees when they are the male bees get kicked out. Why does that happen?
When does it dance for that?
What?
Is it
Say
that?
it. Yes, that.
There's too much background noise. I can't hear you.
Hmm.
Musa, can you
Yes,
please be
ma'am.
quiet? There are a lot of disturbance from your side.
Okay, ma'am.
Is Ezza, the
Okay.
question is clear? Ezza, from the Musa's question is clear to you, Ezza?
No, ma'am.
Ezza, can you please repeat the question? Not Ezza. Musa, please repeat the question.
Why does the male bees get
I want to ask a question. I want to ask
why
a question.
1 minute. Can you raise your hands because
Hold on.
Musa is going to ask. Continue, Musa. Your question.
why does the male bees get kicked out of the hive?
Oh,
So
okay.
can I ask
Why
my
did
question?
the 1 minute?
Please wait, Ryan.
Can
One at a
I
time.
answer?
Musa already asked one question, so Ezza will answer to that question. Then we will give the chance to you also. Okay, please.
Okay.
Okay, so you're asking why the queen bee or the drone bee?
Yes, that
You're
is my
asking-
question.
Yeah, why the queen bee gets out of the honey, the hive?
No. Why does the why does wait? Why does the queen bee kick the drone bees out of the hive? That is my question.
Okay. So basically, the drone bees, they're male bees, okay, and they do not have much stingers, okay, and also like their role is to mate with virgin queens. So that's why in the fall they are expelled and they are no longer needed.
Okay, one more question. After getting expelled, what does the male drone bees do? after getting expelled?
I mean, they won't stay in the beehive. They will stay somewhere else. But when they're needed, they will come back in the honey. I mean, in the hive.
Thank you.
Welcome. Anyone else? Okay.
Can I ask?
Yeah,
Can you
Abigail.
hear
Yeah,
me
yeah.
now?
Yeah, we
So,
can
how
hear you.
long can a worker bee live?
I'm not sure. Sorry, I don't know that answer.
Okay. I have a question.
Yeah.
How does the beehive replace the queen?
How does the beehive replace the queen?
Yeah.
I don't think so. You can do that. Queen bee is the main bee, and queen bee is the one who tells the other bees, but you can't do that. You can't kick out the queen bee.
Okay.
I think so I know the answer.
Yes, Musa?
I think so I know the answer of the what if the queen bee dies and what happens to the hive.
If
So
you know the
please
answer, you
mute
can
your
also tell.
What?
If you know the answer, you can also tell.
Okay. There is a chance some beekeepers, like the beekeepers, come and try to mix the bees that don't has a queen with a another beehive that has a queen. But there is a very low chance that will work. But sometimes that works. Only sometimes.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Maybe Roya.
Yeah. How many eyes do bees have?
How many hives?
Not hives, eyes.
Oh, eyes. They have 2 eyes.
I have a question.
Okay, just a minute. Ezza, did our Abigail ask a question because she raised her hand for a long time?
I'm sorry, they have 5 eyes.
Okay.
Abigail?
Abigail, I don't
Yes,
think
ma'am.
so.
Abigail,
Yeah,
did you ask a
Abigail
question?
also.
Yeah.
Okay, yes. So yes, Ihan, you can ask your question, Ihan.
What if the
Huh?
queen is
Wait, what about me?
Just 1 minute. I didn't answer Abigail's question, but worker bees live to 5 to 6 weeks. Okay, now who wants to ask?
what
Ihan?
if the queen bee is dead?
When are the queen bees dead? Is that your question, right? When are the queen bees dead?
Yes, dear. He's asking that.
Like, mm, like the workers kill the regaining queen bee. Uh, like the worker bee kills the queen kills the queen when a new queen comes in. Now Ryan, Satar, you wanted to ask, right?
So my question is, like, Why is the queen bee the only female bee in the entire hive that can reproduce?
That's how it is.
What?
The queen bee plays a vital role in the hive because she is the only female with fully developed ovaries. Only she is the bee that can reproduce new ones and lay a lot of eggs.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, Roya.
What does a bee eat?
Honeybees go to flowers and then they suck the honey. Yeah,
Okay.
I showed you, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, Abigail.
Yeah, you know there's two types of bees, right? There's a big type of bee and a small type of bee, right? The big bee is biters, right? Why doesn't then the small bee is biters?
So you are telling that the drone bee are at least larger, but worker
Not the
bees are
drone
big.
bees, not the drone bees. You know, like in Malayalam, we'll say the honeybees means like one tain and cherry tain, right?
Okay.
So the honeybees which makes cherry tain does not bite us. Why does it? It does not bite us.
But I know that the drones don't have stingers. They do not have
No,
stingers to
I'm
sting.
not talking about drones. I'm talking about like I don't know what to say it in English. Um, like there'll be some bees which are so small in Kerala and all we can see. So why doesn't that be biters? They are not drones, right?
I don't know the answer, but I'll research and tell you.
Okay.
Zoya.
Yeah, do you know like some specialities of the bees?
I have already told, but okay. So in queen bee, the specialty is only the female bee that can in the hive that can lay eggs, and the largest bee. Okay, and for worker bees, they're all female, but they're not able to reproduce. And their specialty, they have variety of roles, like building and maintaining the hive, caring for the queen and the young bees, and defending the hive from predators. Okay. Then for drones, they are male bees, and their specialty is the only role is to mate with virgin queens, and they do not have stingers, and they're much larger than worker bees. That's a specialty in those three bees. Yes, Ihan.
Yeah, does the three types of bee have the spikes?
The spikes. So you're asking, when does the bee have spikes? You mean the stick thing which pokes? Oh, okay, that one.
Yes, I can see that Roya raised her hand and Ihan also. And one more thing, Ezza or Rayan asked a question.
Yeah, he did.
Yes. Okay. Yes, Ihan. Now you can ask the question, Ihan.
Can you repeat your question, Ihan?
Yeah. Does the three types of bee have that thing?
The three bees, the queen bee, the worker bee, and the
Please name, get out. They were settled.
no, not honey.
Then you
There are also stingless bees. Okay, Roya.
Yeah. So what is the bee's weakness?
The bees. The bees' weakness.
Okay.
It's their weakness is some a type of some type of insect.
Oh, okay. Can you say the one interesting facts other than you said in the presentation?
Like with their stings, it can be painful and also dangerous to people with allergies. And then they pose in minimal threat to our daily lives. And like they only sting when feel threatened, such as when protecting their hives or when squished.
Okay.
Anyone else? Do you have another question, Roya?
Yeah. What makes the bee hungry? No. What makes a bee angry?
The same thing which I told.
Okay.
What makes you hungry?
No, angry.
Yeah, it feels angry when some other insect is coming to kill the other insect. I mean the bee.
Okay.
Okay, Musa.
Yeah, I have a question. I have heard if a bee sting a human, they will die. Is that true?
Can you repeat?
I have heard if a bee stings a human, they will die.
No, they won't die. I already told it will be painful and it will be dangerous for the people who have allergies.
Not us,
It's
the
it's
bees.
just gonna be painful.
Not that. My if the I'm saying if a bee stings us, will the bee die? Not us, the bee. We will probably not die. Only the bee die. Will the bee die?
No, only if you kill it.
Okay.
I have a question.
Yeah, Zoya.
Like how does honeybees produce honey?
Okay, uh, so honeybee starts as flower nectar collected by bees, which gets broken down into simple sugars stored inside the honeycomb. Yeah.
Okay, I have one more question. Um, so how I'm just asking, it's okay if you don't know the answer. Like, do you know how like honeybees like communicate with each other?
Yeah, I showed you by their dance, they are wiggling their butt.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Yeah. Do you have another question, Zoya?
No.
Okay. Roya?
Yeah. So like, wait. a sec. How does a bee colony choose a new queen?
Uh, uh,
You don't know?
no.
It's okay.
Sorry. If anyone knows that answer, you can tell, okay?
Okay.
I have a question.
Yeah, Zoya.
Do you know like what is the lifespan of a worker bee?
Lifespan of a worker bee. It's 5 to 6 weeks. Five to 6 weeks.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Anyone else? Or
Questions?
I had a question.
Yeah.
The question is how to catch the bees.
how to catch the bees?
Yeah.
Uh, like, uh, like you can use a bee brush to brush them into the box with a quick downward motion.
Yeah.
Okay, anyone else? Okay, 1 minute, Abigail. I'm asking now you guys a question. Which is the most interesting fact about a honeybee? Raise your hand and answer. Okay, Musa.
I accidentally raised my hand. I have a fact, but I need to like research.
Okay. No,
Okay.
whatever you know, you can tell. Yes,
No,
Zoya.
Ask a question.
Okay, Zoya. No, 1 minute. Abigail.
So, can I ask?
Yeah. Oh, you want to ask? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, you know, honeybees are like the honey hive are made of hexagon shape, right? So why can't they use other shapes like square and all?
That's a good question. So that the efficient
Because it's easy for them to build in that shape.
yeah, it's efficient use of space, maximizing storage capacity while minimizing material usage.
Okay.
Okay, Zoya.
Okay, can I tell the answer?
Yeah, okay, yeah. Tell me what.
Is it the woggle dance? The dance? Am I right?
Yeah, you're right. Does anyone else also have any interesting fact about bees that I haven't mentioned?
I have one question.
Yes. So who
Yes.
said people?
In one time, how many honey will collect? How much honey will collect?
Like
Hello?
if there are 60,000 bees in the hive, about 1/3 of them will be involved in gathering nectar. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Ezza, do you have any question?
Yes, Musa.
I have an interesting fact.
Okay, yeah, tell.
Okay. If a queen bee stops producing babies, like producing babies, the worker bees will make a ball shape around the queen bee and try to kill her because she is not producing. And also, some worker bees stings the queen bee. Is
Okay,
that
very.
true?
I'm not sure if it's true or not, but thank you for giving a fact.
Okay.
Now, well done.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, well done. Tell me.
So, why do honeybees make honey?
Uh,
Why do they make honey?
yeah, well, bees make honey to survive. And also, it might, yeah, bees make honey to survive.
Like, is it just food for them?
Yeah, bees I'm sorry, bees make honey for themselves to survive. Roya.
Yeah. Uh, okay. How does bees navigate and find their way back to the hive?
Okay, so like the bees will show, like in the dance only, they will show the distance, the distance, the yeah, they will like performing the dance which I showed you, the direction and the distance the bees will need to fly.
Okay, wait. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, wait. How much honey can a single bee produce in its lifetime?
About 27 kilo.
Okay, thank you.
Ihan,
Yeah. Can a honeybee fly up to 15 miles per hour? I say this in a website.
yes. 55,000 miles to make just 1 pound of honey. Yeah, Ihan, you have one more question?
Okay, can I ask a question?
1 minute. Let's maybe we'll done.
Yeah, so like the question is that is it good to take the honey from the bees?
Yes.
No.
Okay, yes, Roya.
Okay. What threats do bees face in today's environment?
What threats does the bees face in this environment, right?
Yeah.
They get threatened by like deforestation. This is like a loss of habitat
Okay.
and climate change also.
Okay.
I hope so I cleared everybody's questions.
Yes. Any doubts from anyone? Ray, Massa, Zakir, Ada, do you have any doubts or do you want to clear something? You want to ask any questions, means you may.
1 minute, I have one correction to make.
Okay.
Like somebody told that how much honey does one bee make. Honey bee produces 1/12 of a teaspoon in its entire lifetime. 27 kilo from the whole hive.
Okay.
Yes, Musa.
The video was quite informative. We all enjoyed the session.
Thank
Hope
you,
you
ma'am.
guys too enjoyed it. Thank you, Isa, for making
you.
us means aware of such a lot of information. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, 1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, Musa.
Can you just share a search if like a bee stings you, the bee will digest? Can you just search?
Can you repeat your question?
Can you just search? Does if a bee bites like stings you, will the bee die? Yeah, can you just search because I have that is a thing. I have a question for that.
Can you type in the chat? I sorry, I'm not able to understand what you're saying.
Can you type that, Musa? Can
Actually,
you
never mind.
chat
Actually,
box?
never mind. Never mind.
No, you can type in the chat, I'll answer.
Okay, wait. Okay.
Okay.
Wait, I will wait. I will come right back.
Unmute your mic and say.
If a bee dies, sorry, if a bee stings a human, will the bee die? Will the bee die?
No, the bee doesn't die.
Ezza, did you get the question?
What?
Yeah, isn't he telling if the bee stings someone, the
Yes.
bee dies?
Yes, exactly. That's what he
But
says.
no,
But
uh,
I thought that when like these like the stinger gets stuck inside of you, like your
Yeah.
skin, so they have to like pull it out and it'll get ripped off and then they'll die.
Yeah, the video says that. I saw a
no,
video that
to
says that.
Musa's question, the bee does not die.
Yeah.
I
Yes.
thought it does.
But
No.
the video I said says the bee first stings you because of the human sting. The stinger gets stuck, but the stinger is connected to a part of a bee. So because it's stuck, it's like ripped apart.
So it died.
Yes, that's what I heard.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any more question, Musa?
I mean, no.
Okay. Is all the questions done?
Any more questions? Yes. I hope I can wind up the meeting. Hope you all enjoyed the session. Thank you. Thank you for asking interesting questions. And you presented really well with clarity and confidence. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye bye. Good night, dears.
Thank you for everyone joining in my webinar.
Welcome. Bye.